it's Katie, and this is Paraclete.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about the water cycle, and water is very essential for life on Earth. So water ties together the major parts of the Earth's climate system, whether it be the sky, the clouds, the ocean, the lakes. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water between the Earth and the atmosphere, and the water that's includes a liquid, solid, and gas form. This is a complex system that involves many different processes that we'll explain soon. So the first stage we're going to begin with is evaporation. An example of evaporation that you may see every day is tea. So when the water is super hot, it evaporates the water, which means that the water is going to turn into water vapor. Just like in the water cycle, the energy from the sun's heat heats up the water from the ocean, the rivers, the lakes, and they turn into water vapor, and so they'll go up into the sky. There's also a process called transpiration where plants and trees lose their water through their leaves into the atmosphere. The process of evaporation and transpiration is called evapotranspiration, and it's a lot like sweating. Another process in the water cycle is called sublimation, and that's when a solid ice turns directly into water vapor. So a common example is dried ice or frozen carbon dioxide, and it starts to sublimate once it's exposed to normal air temperature. So there are only certain conditions in which ice and snow can sublime. So next we're going to talk about the collection of all this water. So the fallen precipitation is then collected into bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, and oceans, but sometimes it could fall onto vegetation. And so in that case, the water would just eventually evaporate back into the air. If the climate is cold, then precipitation can either turn into snow, ice, or glaciers. Once the temperatures begin to rise, the ice will then turn back into water and will either get soaked into the ground or go back into bodies of water. When the water is soaked into the ground, that process is called infiltration. And once the infiltration happens, the water will then be transferred into groundwater, which is an underground place for storage. If the water flows to different bodies of water, it will then be called surface runoff. Now here's some interesting facts about water. About 70% of the Earth's surface is water, but only 2.5% of that is fresh water, or drinking water. Of that fresh water, 68.9% is found in glaciers or snow covers, 30.8% is found in groundwater, and 0.3% is found in rivers and lakes. Each person in the US uses approximately 355 liters of water per day, whether it's when you're taking a shower, washing your hands, doing the dishes. And I just want to put it out there that we are so blessed to have access to clean water every single day at the palm of our hands. And I just think we should all be grateful for the things that we have.
That's all I have on the water cycle. Thanks for watching.